Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Tuesday on November 8th. It's exactly 4:10 a.m. It is election day in the United States. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly high with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which traded down fractionally. Currently right now in Europe, and is currently ongoing. Up until a little while ago, Europe was trading with half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. That has since changed. Now all the exchanges are trading higher. Now if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of US dollar, it's trading lower. Energies in terms of crude, it's trading higher. There is correlation between US dollar and crude as it is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds, bonds are trading higher. Metals in terms of gold is also trading higher. And the indices themselves in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, up until a little while ago they were pointed higher, although fractionally. Now they're pointing lower, if you will. And again, but they're pointing lower fractionally. In terms of economic news, we have in the dockets today for the U.S. markets. We have small business index out at 6 a.m. This is not really considered to be major. We have JOLTS jobs opening out at 10 a.m. This is considered to be major. And of course we have the presidential election, which is all day today, and congressional elections. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I was suggesting this is financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. Metals in terms of gold is also trading higher. This should bode well for a downside day, with the exception of the fact that the markets aren't really moving downside with any real conviction. This is very fractional. I mean, the S&P is off one tick. The NASDAQ is not off by much. The Dow Jones Industrial Average off by one point. This is not showing any real conviction, which tells us that the market has no sense of direction, hence a neutral bias, which means that it could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.